Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel Luxurize, where we showcase a lot of luxury collectibles for men. Today we are covering a watch from a very renowned manufacturer called Omega. We're going to discuss its features, how it fares against competition, and give you more details on this watch. But before that, people who are new to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the notifications. Now let's carry on with our review. The watch we are covering today from Omega is one of its longest running product line, the Omega Seamaster. It's almost close to 72 years of production. It was first introduced in 1948, the Seamaster series, and this is the Seamaster Planet Ocean. This, however, was launched in 2005, and ever since then it's become their most popular watch, other than the Speedmaster. This is a diving instrument, and the bezel, as you can see, is a blue dial and ceramic liquid metal bezel, which is highly durable. The hour markers, the second hand, the hour and the minute hand are all well illuminated. If you look closely, the dial is made up of ZrO2, which is also called as the zirconia material, which is highly durable. This has a depth of 600 meters, which is highly useful for diving. The first Seamaster had a diving range of 300 meters or 1000 feet. However, this Planet Ocean has a depth range of 600 meters or 2000 feet, which is quite a development as far as deep sea diving watches are concerned. Also, it has the latest movement from Omega. It's the coaxial 8900. It's now the master chronometer, which I'll explain you a little later. What does it mean? But just have a look at the back. It's a gorgeous case. You can see all the movements and the jewels in the movement. So discussing the movement which is in the watch, it is an in-house movement by Omega caliber 8900, which is tested and certified by COSC, which is again followed up by a rigorous test done by METAS. This is done in order to test it to magnetic fields up to 15,000 Gauss, so that there is no variation in the time. So the Omega sets strict standards for the variation in the time, and they claim not more than 0 to plus 5 seconds time variation, which is very good in an automatic movement watch. This watch also has a 60-hour power reserve. Strap also has a lot of unique features, especially in this watch, which is manufactured after 2016. This has got an expandable, I'll try and show it to you here. This is the button through which you can expand the link. So divers who wear gloves or any other things on their swimsuit, they can expand this link and wear this watch for deep sea diving. I think it's pretty cool. So comparing this Planet Ocean from Omega with a more renowned diver's watch like the Submariner or the Sea Dweller from Rolex, I would say this has got its own proposition. It offers a lot of things which those two models don't, and obviously those models have a lot of things which Omega doesn't offer. But yeah, each to its own, and the purchasing will surely depend on one's personal taste. But I would say that that this watch is definitely a beautiful piece, and it's a unique design. It's a trademark design, just like the Rolex Oyster bracelet. This also has the 3-link bracelet, which is very popular and unique. So definitely the Sea Dweller, according to me, is a better watch. But if you look at the price, compare the price, is almost half the price of the Sea Dweller. So it makes a very good proposition for people who want to buy a diverse watch, and people who value a good balance of quality, style and substance. So I would definitely recommend this watch to those people, and that's also one of the reasons which I purchased this, and it's been a really happy purchase. Let me show you what all you get with this watch. This is the carrying case for this watch. It's made up of a very soft and subtle material, and it's kind of suede. It's a good carrying case in case you're traveling and you're not carrying too many watches. So this is the one. This is the packaging, I must say, of this watch is excellent. These are all your warranties, and this is the reference number of the watch in your screen, the master chronometer, the pictograms, all these things comes under this pouch. This is the outer case. This is the operating instructions. This is the carrying bag of. This is the most beautiful part. This is the wooden box which was started by Omega from 2016 for these range of watches, and it's a beautiful box. This is how it looks. It's a beautiful box. So this is how the watch is placed. Branding even on this watch cushion. This is where you keep your carrying case as well as the extra links in case if you adjust some. So it's a very beautiful watch. Please let me know what you feel about this, and what are your thoughts comparing it with the Rolex Submariner or the Sea Dweller. And please be safe, take care of yourself, and God bless all.